Fine.
the design
Okay.
process.
Yeah, though I don't really care. I just want to buy things.
Right.
So shop, but there's nothing down here about shopping. It's the brand, the launch, November coats, the jammies, the brand
Question
Q&A,
and answer.
brand Q&A from Instagram, and behind the scenes.
Having this
So
live,
what?
having
They
this
should have-
live thing, this interaction thing, I think is good.
Yeah, from Instagram.
Right.
I think that's kind of redundant. The brand Q&A and the Instagram Q&A. I mean, granted, that's live on Instagram, and this is just people send in questions and they answer them. They might not be on Instagram, but I don't know if you need. I don't know, maybe.
And what do you get when you subscribe?
I don't know. There's nothing down here that says what's to do with the subscription. Plus shop, there's nothing like.
Yeah, as my prototype for the Something Navy website. I've been following Something Navy, the brand, all semester. She started as a influencer with a blog back in 2009 and grew her following and became really present on social media, specifically Instagram. And from there, she created she always had this website, and so all semester I've been testing this website. However, with her recent launches of her new clothing line, she just redesigned her entire website. And so this is kind of a new prototype, some very new research because everything has changed. And what you're looking at is it's specifically the Something Navy tab. And then, so it's not the homepage. The homepage of the site kind of has all of her blog posts and everything. But this is if you click the Something Navy tab. And I added Instagram at the top bar because her Instagram is so important to the brand, and they have a specific Something Navy Instagram that they're always posting on and highlighting things. And if you want to be engaged with the brand and understand what's happening, it's a really good place to look. So the fact that it's not until the bottom of the page that you see it, I thought it should be right at the top so you know where to find it and can really interact with the page.
Well, that makes sense. I mean, because I probably wouldn't go to the bottom.
Something Navy question and answer for Instagram because currently she just has Something Navy brand Q&A, and that's people who submit stuff to the website, but it's not on Instagram. Like, she does a lot of interactive live Q&As and just like through Instagram stories, and she gets a lot of questions via Instagram. Therefore, it's important to see those because I think it covers a lot of ground that she doesn't cover on the website because people aren't as likely. And then lastly, because I've been following her closely on Instagram, she posts a lot of behind the scenes fittings and in the office and like outfit of the day and just like all these random things on videos that is really, it's kind of cool to see, and it's important for the brand overall. So I think it should be included on the Something Navy feature because it really is part of the brand and it gives people a insight into what's actually going on.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 features that you're adding to her Something Navy
Page,
tab.
yes.
Page. Got it. I think they're all good additions. It makes sense.
Do you think they solved the problem of it, like people not either being on Instagram and not going to the site, or kind of like tying the two platforms together, which is what I'm trying to do.
Because the whole Instagram thing is she's very influential on Instagram, and I think that a lot of people ask questions and a lot of people make comments on Instagram that don't necessarily go to her.
Okay,
Something
then try.
else sounds goofy. Something more.